Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you are the authorized owner or have permission. This is crucial. Once confirmed, make sure the Vivo Y20 is charged and on Wi-Fi. If you already know the Google account password, open Settings and prepare to remove the account normally. That is the safe, supported path. If the password is unknown, do not attempt bypass techniques. Instead, start Google Account Recovery now so you can remove the account cleanly and avoid triggering security locks. Once you choose Recovery, follow Google's account recovery flow. Use the registered email, phone number, or two-step verification prompts to regain access. After regaining control, change your password and then remove the Google account from the phone through Settings. This prevents factory reset protection issues. If recovery does not work, directly contact Vivo customer support or visit an authorized service center with the device and purchase proof. They can verify ownership and finish by choosing the authorized route. Either remove the account yourself after recovery or let Vivo support or an authorized repair center handle it once they confirm ownership. Bring the original invoice, ID, and any registered account details. These documents shorten the process. Make sure to back up any important data before service. If you encounter a lock or failure, prioritize Google Account Recovery and present your proof of purchase. This single troubleshooting action resolves most legitimate lock situations without resorting to unsafe bypasses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.